Let's start with reading and translation of Chapter 8 of English Grammar Verbs. She reads slowly. वह धीरे से पढ़ती है. She reads slowly. They are weeping. वह रो रहे हैं. They are weeping. My brother is a doctor. मेरा ब्रदर एक डॉक्टर है. My brother is a doctor. He was busy. वह बिजी था. He was busy. Mother is knitting a sweater. मदर एक स्वेटर बुन रही है. मदर इज knitting a sweater. The cupboard was opened by कीर्ति. कबर्ड कीर्ति के द्वारा खोला गया था. The cupboard was opened by कीर्ति. We are to finish the work in a month. हमें वर्क एक मंथ में फिनिश करना है. We are to finish the work in a month. You are to pick it up right now. तुम्हें यह अभी उठाना है. You are to pick it up right now. The artists have painted beautifully. आर्टिस्ट्स ने सुंदर तरह से पेंट किया है. The artists have painted beautifully. उन्हें तुरंत वापस लौटना होगा. They have to return immediately. He doesn't agree with me. वह मुझसे सहमत नहीं है. He doesn't agree with me. Did you manage to finish the assignment? Did क्या तुमने असाइनमेंट खत्म करने का प्रबंध किया था? Did you manage to finish the assignment? Do be quiet. बिल्कुल चुप रहो. Do be quiet. Ram can take you to the airport. राम तुम्हें एयरपोर्ट ले जा सकता है. Ram can take you to the airport. Can you lift this? क्या तुम इसे उठा सकते हो? Can you lift this? You can join from tomorrow. तुम कल से ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. You can join from tomorrow. Could you help me to solve the sum? क्या तुम सम सॉल्व करने में मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me to solve the sum? To said that he could help me. यह कहने के लिए कि वह मेरी मदद कर सकता था. To said that he could help me. He could sing well once upon a time. एक समय था जब वो अच्छा गा सकता था. He could sing well once upon a time. May I use your eraser? क्या मैं तुम्हारा इरेज़र यूज़ कर सकता हूँ? May I use your eraser? May you always enjoy good health. आप हमेशा अच्छी हेल्थ का आनंद लें. May you always enjoy good health. There may be some week this evening. आज शाम को कुछ बारिश हो सकती है. There may be some rain this evening. The match schedule may be announced next week. मैच का शेड्यूल अगले वीक अनाउंस किया जा सकता है. The match schedule may be announced next week. We might return sooner than expected. हम उम्मीद से जल्दी वापस आ सकते हैं. We might return sooner than expected. She might arrive tomorrow. वह कल आ सकती है. She might arrive tomorrow. I shall be pleased to visit you. मुझे आपके पास आकर मिलने में खुशी होगी। I shall be pleased to visit you. He shall not work here again. वह यहाँ फिर से काम नहीं करेगा। He shall not work here again. You shall certainly be rewarded. तुम्हें निश्चित रूप से अवार्ड दिया जाएगा। You shall certainly be rewarded. Shall I carry these books for you? क्या मैं आपके लिए इन बुक्स को ले जाऊं? Shall I carry these books for you? If it should rain, the match will be called off. अगर बारिश हुई तो मैच को बंद कर दिया जाएगा। If it should rain, the match will be called off. You will agree with me. तुम मुझसे सहमत होगे। You will agree with me. I will do the cooking myself. खाना बनाने का काम मैं खुद करूँगा। I will do the cooking myself. He will go jogging as usual. वह हमेशा की तरह जॉगिंग पर जाएगा। He will go jogging as usual. Will you go on a holiday with us? क्या तुम हमारे साथ एक हॉलिडे पर चलोगे? Will you go on a holiday with us? We must remember this. हमें यह याद रखना चाहिए। We must remember this. I must have an opportunity to do what I wish. मुझे वह करने की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलनी चाहिए जो मैं करना चाहता हूँ, जो मैं चाहता हूँ। I must have an opportunity to do what I wish. He must have forgotten about the invitation. वह इनविटेशन के बारे में भूल गया होगा। He must have forgotten about the invitation. We ought to try hard. हमें पूरी कोशिश करनी चाहिए। We ought to try hard. We ought to strike this deal. हमें इस सौदे को रद्द कर देना चाहिए। We ought to strike this deal.